Could the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra finally be the game changer we've been waiting for? For years, Samsung's Ultra series has followed a similar design formula, with only small tweaks here and there. But this time, it's rumored that the upcoming Galaxy S26 Ultra could break the mold, offering some of the most exciting upgrades we've seen in years. In fact, this phone could not only be Samsung's most important release in the last 5 years, but might even set the tone for the next half-decade of mobile innovation. Let's start with the design. Samsung has stuck with a similar look for its Ultra devices since the S21 Ultra, but it seems that's about to change. The S26 Ultra might finally get a fresh new look. One of the most intriguing rumors is that it could feature an under-display camera, a major leap forward for Samsung. If this is true, it could mean the end of notches and cutouts, giving users a truly clean, full-screen experience. This would be a major step forward in design, pushing the boundaries of what we expect from smartphones. The back of the phone could also see some changes. One interesting possibility is that Samsung may remove one of the camera lenses. While this might sound like a downgrade, it's actually being speculated as a move to simplify the design and improve overall performance. In place of the missing lens, the S26 Ultra could feature two impressive 200-megapixel sensors. This is an unprecedented move for smartphones. One would serve as the main camera, while the other could be used for 4x optical zoom. The result? Sharper zoom, more details in photos, and better performance in low-light conditions. Something that could make a real difference for photography enthusiasts. Removing that extra lens might also create space for something else, a bigger battery. If rumors hold true, the S26 Ultra could come with a 5500 mAh silicon carbon battery. This would be a significant jump for the 5000 mAh battery in the S25 Ultra, offering the potential for longer battery life. Combine that with Samsung's already impressive One UI software, and this could lead to major improvements in day-to-day use. But it's not just about the design and battery. The performance of the Galaxy S26 Ultra is also expected to get a significant boost. The phone is rumored to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2, which could provide up to 41% better performance than the chip in the previous model, according to recent benchmark reports. If this chip lives up to expectations, we could see a huge improvement in speed and overall efficiency. But that's not all. Samsung is reportedly working on its own chip, possibly named the Exynos 2600. This new chip would be built on 2nm architecture and could feature Samsung's custom-designed GPU. The big ambition here is for Samsung to use its own chip in all markets, potentially phasing out Qualcomm's Snapdragon chips completely. If the Exynos 2600 delivers the expected performance, this could mark a major turning point for Samsung's hardware strategy. Another exciting update could come in the form of One UI 8. This new version of Samsung's software is expected to bring a range of AI features that will take full advantage of the S26 Ultra's hardware. From smarter processing to better overall system efficiency, these updates could change the way we interact with Samsung devices. Lastly, there's a small but welcome rumor about the return of Bluetooth support for the S Pen. This feature was removed from the S25 Ultra, but it could make its way back with the S26 Ultra, giving users better control and more functionality with their stylus. This could be a game changer for people who rely on the S Pen for productivity or creative work. What do you think about these rumors? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.